Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create circle text in Canva step by step. Open your project or create a new presentation. Add a text box, press Ctrl V. Or type your text. Select or multiple double click, then select effect, find curve text, see this curve text, circle, OK, then save. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.